Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will discuss on how to create a program that will ask the user to give meters value, and then our program will simply compute or convert the given meters into feet equivalent using Java programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. So we have here import Java util scanner for input output class main. Every Java program has a public class begin, public static void main. It is the starting point of every Java program. Scanner input for input, accepting input library command, no? So this is an object that we have created, and then we have two variables, meters and feet. New line, the title meters to feet in Java, give meters value that will be stored in our variable meters. Take note, we have a data type of double, so feet meters multiply by 3.2808399. so 1 meter is equivalent to 3 feet 0.32808399. and then here new line here, and then we display the value using printf in Java, similar to C language. \t %5 to the left, to decimal places. Meters is equals to %5, 5 decimal places to the left, 2 decimal places to the right. And then new line, and the program which informs the user that the program has been ended. System out point new line, input close, we close the scanner here, we close the main as a class here, and then we close. Don't worry guys, as I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Let us go to our online GDB as our Java online compiler. Let us click the run button to execute the program. Okay, meters to feet in Java, give meters value. Let's say we have 3.5. So 3.5 meters is equals to 11.48 feet. And the program. Another example, let's say we have 8.34 meters. 8.34 meters is equals to 27.36 feet. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video, meters to feet in Java. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for your support by watching, like, comment, and sharing my videos. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.